to college for studio art, photography, creative writing, everything from farthest away from anything technical. And I switched my major to economics. I took Professor Wolber's App Inventor class on a whim, and I ended up loving it. I loved it so much, and I loved the way we were able to build applications. On the very first day, I wound up adding a minor. I think I thought what anyone thinks if they're not in the field is that it's incredibly complicated and really intense, and people have been doing it since they were little in their parents' basements. And I think definitely a part of that is true, but the part I was exposed to with App Inventor and the part that anyone can kind of build an application and play around with it and make it look cool and do cool things, that's something that App Inventor definitely changed for me. We built all kinds of applications, games, quizzes. The final one, I made sort of an Instagram, Twitter-like application for sharing photos of what you were wearing every day. So it was a way for me to combine what I had been interested in with the art, fashion, and then computer science too, and making an application that looked cool. So I had a good time. Everyone that would see them, I showed my apps to everyone. Probably a little bit too much, but then you find yourself building stuff just for you, and I think that's why people, that's why we have the stuff we have now. It's because people build stuff that they want to use or to solve their problem, and just based on the things I use every day, based on the applications I check every morning when I wake up, it's important to have sort of that understanding of just the general way things work. And taking computer science has definitely helped me figure that out, or when I use Facebook on my phone, I can actually understand what's happening and where it's getting the information from, and that's just personally interesting to me. So 10 years from now, I expect things to continue changing as much as they have been for the last 10 years, and how much it's changed my life just growing up. So I think that having a handle on that and having the computer science minor is I think just made me a better, smarter person. And I think if I decide to change jobs or if I decide to do something else, having that technical background is always an asset.